Hi, dear students. Welcome to Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Here we are going to discuss about conic section, especially today's class parabola concept related J-mains, MSET, NI with and BITSAT, NDA, the type of competitive exams which are related to mathematics. We are going to explain now. Yeah, I'm waiting for some students are going to join in the session. So that is the reason waiting. Oh, one more minute. I will wait. Later on, we'll start. Already some students are coming. Yeah, Asudaki, good evening. Yeah, just now they joined most of the students. Okay, dear students, let us have a discussion on the question. The locus of point which divides the line segment joining the point 0, comma minus 1 and a point on the parabola x square equal to 4y internally in the ratio of 1:2. So how the figure is going to draw? X square equal to 4y means the figure will be like this. Okay, dear students, this is x square equal to 4y figure. What is the general point on the parabola x square equal to 4y? The parametric point I am taking here 280 comma 80 square. This is the general point on the parabola. And from that point to given point 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 1 lies on negative axis. So this is 0 comma minus 1. So join these two points. So this is suppose A, if you take one point, the locus point I am taking q of x comma y, it divides line segment AP, line joining the point 0 comma minus 1 and a point on the parabola, this one, in the ratio of 1:2 internally. So that means, see here, the figure I am going to draw that roughly, we can understand easily. Q of x comma y, it is the locus point, it divides AP in the ratio 1:2 internally. Okay. So that is q of x comma y equal to, so this is m, dear students, this is n. mx2, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. You know the formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So, 1 into 2at plus 2 into nx1, 2 into 0 by 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2, my2. So 1 into at square, that means at square plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, I hope you understand. This is the locus point we are taking. So q of x comma y is equal to 2at plus 0. So 2at divided by 1 plus 2 is 3, comma at square minus 2 divided by 3. Equating x coordinates, equating y coordinates on both sides. So what comes here? X is equal to 2at divided by 3 and y is equal to at squared minus 2 divided by 3. And one more information here, x square is equal to 4y. Here 4a is equal to 4, a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 also substitute. It will becomes 2t by 3. From this t value make subject. 3x is equal to 2t. 3x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, dear students. Later, here a is equal to 1. No? So y equal to t square minus 2 divided by 3. Cross multiply. 3y is equal to t square minus 2. Bring the sign. 3y plus 2 equal to t square. Therefore, to get the required locus, 3y plus 2 equal to, in place of t, replace with this 3x by 2 whole square. So 3y plus 2 is equal to 9x square divided by 4. Cross multiply 12y plus 8 is equal to 9x square. So according to the question, 12y will bring this side, 9x square minus 12y is equal to 8. This is the required locus of the point Q, which divides the line segment joining the points A and P. It is there in the first option, dear students. It is given in JMN's 2020. Okay. Those who are watching first time, please share to your friends also. Friends and relatives, those who are watching first time. If you know about this channel, please share to your friends. We'll move to next question. If the distance of 2 points two points P and Q on the parabola, y square equal to 4ax from the focus of parabola, focus of the parabola are 4 and 9 respectively, then the distance of point of intersection of tangents at P and Q from the focus is. So options are provided in that way. 8, 6, 5, 13. Maximum I try to go with the shortcut method. If the distance of 2 points P and Q on the parabola, see, y square is equal to 4x, parabola is like this now. This is y square is equal to 4ax parabola. Generally you have to take the point P here. That means 80 square comma 280. Here 1 you take another point. You take here Q. 80 square, 82 square comma 282. Focus will be here. The tangents from P and Q, you have to draw like this. So this is the tangent at point P. This is the way you draw the tangents. The point I'm taking as T or R, anything you can take. Tangent at Q, tangent at P. So which are intersecting at T. Here, one of the properties in parabola, the distance from focus at point P is given as 4 and the distance from focus to the point Q is 9 is given. If T is point of intersection of two tangents at P and Q respectively, to the parabola, then we have ST square equal to SP into SQ. This is one of the properties from the parabola. Properties of parabola. So this property is important, dear students. If you know this property, you can do within 1 minute or not even 1 minute, less than 1 minute you can make it. So st square is equal to, what is st value? 4 into st value is 9. So st square is equal to 36. That implies that st equal to root 36. Therefore st is equal to 6. So our answer from distance from here to here is equal to 6 units. It is there in the second option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move to next question. Another descriptive method is also, I know, but this is not the time to tell why, because it will take little lengthy. Means 5 minutes it will take for explaining. We'll drop this. We'll go to next one. In the coming days from ellipse also, I will make it more videos based on that combination of questions. Next week it is not possible, but I will try, dear students. If the tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax meets the axis in T and tangent at vertex A in Y and the rectangle TAYG is completed. Then the locus of G is, so first option, y square plus 2ax equal to 0, y square plus ax equal to 0, x square plus ay equal to 0, x square plus 2ay equal to 0. So which, first you need the question, thoroughly the question. According to the question, you draw the diagram, you will get it idea, and here rectangle also it makes. So first y square is equal to 4ax figure, you have to draw that. This is y square is equal to 4x, this is x-axis, means axis of the parabola. Tangent, we need to draw the tangent. See, tangent equation at the pins, it is y-axis indirectly, dear students. See, like this, we got it straight. Okay. This is tangent at vertex A. This is 0, comma 0. You have to take a point P on that is P of AT square, comma 2AT. What is the tangent equation at the point P? See, this is the tangent equation from this point to here. Tangent equation. Just you can, if you want, you can extend like this. Even here also little extension. Tangent equation, dear students. Tangent at, see, tangent meets axis in T. Axis means this one, you know. This point is T. And tangent at vertex, this one, in Y. This point is Y, dear students. This point. This point is T. They are asking to find the rectangle TAYZ. TAY is there, G is not there. How it is not there means, so you can make it rectangle and complete it. This is the rectangle. See here, if you do like this, a rectangle will form. So here you have to assume the point G, x comma y. Am I right? Is it rectangle or not? Absolutely. So diagonals you have to draw in that. T value. This is a tangent equation. Tangent equation cuts the x-axis, means y is equal to 0. So what is the tangent equation? The equation of tangent. The equation of tangent at P to the parabola. Yt equal to x plus at square. Okay. This equation 1 meets x-axis at T, then y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, substitute in this. X is equal to minus at square. So x value minus at square, y value 0. So y value 0 minus at square. I think you got clarity on this. Next, y value. Next, equation 1 meets y-axis at y, then x is equal to 0. On y-axis, x equal to 0. Whenever x is equal to 0, the coordinate of y will become 0, comma, x is equal to 0. If you substitute tt also get cancelled, y is equal to 80 only. So 0, comma 80. Here the point, y point will become 0, comma 80, and here the point t will become minus 80 square, comma 0. Here t point, we got it here, y point. In rectangle, TAYG, midpoint of TY is equal to midpoint of AG. Midpoint of TY from these two. So here, this is the locus point. We have to assume that. Let us consider that. So TY means midpoint. Minus at square plus 0 divided by 2, comma 0 plus at by 2. Midpoint of AG. So x plus 0 by 2, comma y plus 0 by 2. So here it comes minus AT square divided by 2. AT divided by 2 equal to x by 2 comma y by 2. Equating x coordinate, equating y coordinates. So what comes here? Minus AT square divided by 2 is equal to x by 2 and AT by 2 is equal to y by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. So x is equal to minus AT square and AT is equal to y means t is equal to y by a. Am I right? AT is equal to y. So t is equal to y by a. This we have to substitute in this. So x is equal to minus a into y by a whole square. So x is equal to minus a into y square by a square. Here a get cancelled. Ax is equal to minus y square. Ax bring this side, otherwise minus y square bring. Minus y square bring this side here, plus y square. Y square plus ax is equal to 0. So our answer y square is equal to y square plus ax is equal to 0 is the final answer. Dear student, this is the required locus of the point. I hope everyone understand. We'll move to next question. The triangle PQR of area capital A is inscribed in the parabola y square equal to 4ax such that the vertex P lies at the vertex of parabola, and base QR is a focal chord. The modulus of the difference of the ordinates of the points Q and R is Q and R is. So first option, capital A by 2A. Second option, capital A by small a. Third option, 2 times of capital A by small a. 4 times of capital A by small a. Yeah, any idea to get that? See, first read the question thoroughly, dear students. Later, you decide the rough figure accordingly. The triangle PQR of area A is inscribed in the parabola. So first parabola figure you have to draw like this. This is the parabola figure. Y square is equal to 4ax. Okay. Later you can assume that this point P of at1 square comma 2at1. Next here Q of at2 square comma 2at2. Am I right? Next this is the vertex now. PQR. Sorry, QR is a focal chord dimension, means this we can take as R. Okay. And such that the vertex is P given. So P means vertex, that is 0, comma 0. Vertex of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Here, the triangle is inscribed. One side they are saying that RQ is a focal chord. That means the chord passing to the focus. This is the focal chord, yes, students. And join like this, you get the triangle. So exactly triangle we got it. So one of the vertices, the area of triangle PQR is A equal to capital A, then half into mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Sir, why sir you are writing this formula? We know that in two-dimensional geometry, among the three vertices, one of the vertex is origin. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So A equal to half into mod x1 value at1 square into y2 value 2at2 minus x2 y1. x2 y1 means what? x2 value 2a y2. Sorry, x2 means a2 square. I'm very sorry. at2 square into y1 means 2at1. So which is equal to half into what comes here common? A t1 t2 will be common. Even 2 also comes. 2a t1 t2 common. Remaining is here t1, here t2. Here 2 get cancelled. A equal to mod A into T1 T2 into T1 minus T2. So A constant bring outside, capital A equal to mod A into T1, sorry, T1 T2 into T1 minus T2. So A bring this side, A by A equal to mod T1 T2 into T1 minus T2. Since QR is a focal chord, Then we have T1, T2 is equal to minus 1. This is very, very important property, dear students. Wherever T1, T2 is there, replace with minus 1, capital A by small a, mod minus of T1 minus T2. Within modulus, it will become plus always. So T1 minus T2 is equal to capital A by small a. Later, one condition is given. The modulus of the difference of the ordinates. What are the ordinates? This one you know. Modulus of y1 minus y2 is equal to, what is y1? Modulus of 2a t1 minus 2a t2. Mod 2a take common, t1 minus t2. So which is equal to 2a into mod t1 minus t2. What is mod t1 minus t2 value here? So 2a into sorry dear students, here a into a square will come. I'm very sorry. Here a square, one of the a comes here. No, okay. A by a square here. This is capital A by a square. So one of the a cancel. So 2 into capital A divided by a. Therefore, the difference of modulus of difference of ordinates is equal to 2a by a. It is there in the third option, dear students. I hope you understand. Okay. The next question. The length of the chord, the length of the chord to the parabola, x square is equal to 4ay, passing through the vertex, and having slope tan alpha is, so first option 4a cosecant alpha into cot alpha, 4a tan alpha into secant alpha, 4a into cos alpha into cot alpha, 4a sin alpha into tan alpha. So these are the options, dear students. Just simple and standard results. It's very important standard result, dear students. By 7:30, I will finish the class, dear students. So, given parabola x square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4a by parabola and passing to the vertex. So x square is equal to 4a by, you know that. The figure will come like this, dear students. This is x square is equal to 4a by figure. This is the axis of the parabola for that. Okay. So this is the vertex a of 0, comma 0. And you take any point here, parametric point, x square is equal to 4a means 2at, comma 80 square. Join like this, the length of the chord of the parabola passing to the point vertex and having the slope, length of the chord. So chord means any point you can take. This is the chord. This length. So AP, first you need to calculate the slope. Slope of AP. 2 points are there, means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 only. No? So 80 square minus 0 divided by 280 minus 0. So that is equal to 80 square divided by 280. Here t, here t, here a, here a get cancelled. T by 2 will come. But slope of the AP is equal to what value is given? Tan alpha. So tan alpha equal to t by 2. That implies t is equal to 2 tan alpha. Am I right? So what is the use of writing t in terms of tan alpha? They are asking to find the length of chord. Now what is length of chord from figure? PA. The length of chord PA equal to, so distance between 2 points. Among these two, one point is origin, root of x square plus y square. So root over 280 minus 0 whole square, according to the formula itself I am writing. 80 square minus 0 whole square. So which is equal to root over 4a square t square plus a square t power 4. So that is equal to root over 4 only a t square. A square t square take common. Remaining is 4 plus t square. Okay, what is t here? This one now. So at bring outside root over 4 plus t value is 2 tan alpha whole square. That means 4 tan square alpha. So 4 also bring outside, it will become as 2 to take common. At into root of 4 into 1 plus tan square alpha. So 4 bring outside, it will become as 2. 2 into a into what is t? T means what? 2 tan alpha. Into root of 1 plus tan square alpha. What is 1 plus tan square alpha under root? Secant alpha. So 2 into 2 is 4a tan alpha into secant alpha. So 4a tan alpha into secant alpha, it is there in the second option, dear students. Okay, I hope you understand, which is a standard result. Y is equal to x root 2 minus 8 root 2 is a normal chord to the parabola y square is equal to 8x, then its length is, so options 16 root 3, 4a root 3, 12 root 3, 2a root 3. So here we'll do the methods. It's method 1, method 2, method 3, like this I will make it. Y is equal to x root 2 minus 8 root 2, equation number 1, and y square is equal to 8x, equation number 2. So then, y value substitute in this. X root 2 minus 8 root 2 whole square is equal to 8x. So 2x square plus 128 minus 32x minus 8x equal to 0. So 2x square minus 40x plus 128 equal to 0. Dividing by 2, x square minus 20x plus 64 equal to 0. 64 factor 16 and 4. 16 plus 4, 20 also. No? X square minus 16x minus 4x plus 64 equal to 0. From these two, take common x into x minus 16 minus 4 into x minus 16 equal to 0. So x minus 4 into x minus 16 equal to 0. So x is equal to 4, x is equal to 16. Here y value is there, no? X is equal to 4, then y is equal to 4, substitute in this. 4 root 2 minus 8 root 2, that is equal to minus 4 root 2. So one point P equal to 4 comma minus 4 root 2. P point, we got it. Next, x is equal to 16, then y is equal to 16 root 2 minus 8 root 2. So 8 root 2. So Q point will becomes 16 comma 8 root 2. So distance between these two, length of chord, then its length. Length of chord PQ equal to root of 16 minus 4 whole square plus 8 minus or minus 4, 8 plus 4. 8 root 2 plus 4 root 2 whole square. So which is equal to 12 square plus 12 root 2 whole square means 12 square into root 2 whole square. So 12 square bring outside, root over 12 square into 1 plus 2. Root 2 whole square is 2. So 12 into root 3. So 12 root 3 it is there in the third option. This is method 1, dear students. Method 1. Come to the method 2. The length of chord, normal chord, that also. Length of normal chord is equal to 4a into t square plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 divided by t square. So how it comes as t square? See, y is equal to x root 2 minus 8 root 2. Y is equal to mx plus c. If we compare, m is equal to root 2 only, no? M in terms of t we have to write it. So slope m is equal to minus t. That implies root 2 equal to minus t. That implies t equal to minus root 2. T square is equal to 2. And y square is equal to 8x. So 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 2. No? So substitute in this 4 into 2. Otherwise 4a directly you can write it as 8. T square value 2 plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 divided by t square value is 2. 2 ones, 2 fours. 4 into 3 power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 we can write it as x root x. So here 4 into 3 power 3 by 2 is 3 into root 3, no? So 4 3 get 12. 12 root 3. Even here also we are getting 12 root 3. Same answer. If we go to the method 2, this is method 2. Method 2 completed, dear students. This is method 3. Directly from the parabola y square is equal to 8x. Here a is equal to 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 2. The length of normal chord to the parabola is, to the parabola y square is equal to 4x. 6 root 3a. So here a is equal to 2, now substitute 6 root 3 into a value 2. So 12 root 3. So in whatever the method you can go, you will getting the answer is 12 root 3. Okay, dear students, I hope everyone understand that. For more videos, please do subscribe, and tomorrow also different questions. Conic means here completely parabola questions we discussed now. Tomorrow session completely we are going to discuss not only parabola but also hyperbola, ellipse combination questions we will discuss in the tomorrow session. Stay tuned to Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Thank you all. Jai Hind.